Hello, hi, good morning. So, even if I'm working na sa government, meron pa din akong tindahan. So, before I go to work, nag-o-open kami ng madaling araw. And then, after work naman, nagtitinda ako. So, ito, hindi namin siya give up. Ito yung tindahan ko. So, today is Saturday. So, wala kaming government office on weekends. And we're back to normal na. So, Friday may work na kami. Tindahan ko. Mga hair clip. Ukay-ukay. For kids. Ito. Or school supplies. Meron pa din naman. Kahit konti. So, passion ka talaga ang pagtitinda. Pero, when I started working na, konti na lang yung time namin sa pagtitinda. After work, or during weekends, or sa madaling araw, upon opening, nagtitinda kami before going to work. So, thanks for watching. And, I hope makapagbenta tayong lahat na may sari-sari store. And, take care. Bye-bye.